What's going on, guys? Coming to the video here. So today we're gonna replace the oil on this 2022 Hyundai Elantra N. This also works for the 2023. So let's get right to it. Almost there. Now you're good. Oh, there we go. All right, guys. So first and foremost, we gotta take out this cover over here to access our oil filter, which is right there. And then we have our oil drain plug, which is an 18mm bolt. We have these clips. We have about 12 of them, and we got 4 of these 10mm nuts. So let's take out the clips first, then the nuts, and go from there. And the clips are easy. Use a flathead screwdriver. Use one of these picks. They just come right off. And make sure you keep those to the side. You don't want to lose them.
Don't rush this because these tend to break easily. But if you do break them, you can just go to your parts store, grab some new ones. They're fairly cheap. Not that they're very inexpensive, I should say.
And then boom, that should be all the. All those plastic clips, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm. Use an impact. If you don't have an impact, you can use a wrench. There's gonna be a 10mm.
You get the one to enter over here first. And now it should be dropping after this bolt is taken out. Oops. There we go.
Let's grab our nuts, our plastic covers as well. And let's put them all in here just so we know where everything's at. We don't step on them, crack them, because let's avoid a trip to the parts store, I should say. So what we're gonna use is a 17mm socket. We're gonna go right in here. Let's make sure we have a oil catch pan as well. Let's see if we can get it without getting any oil on me, I should say. Oh crap, I just missed it. Perfect. So now let's drain that. And it'll take about a few minutes to drain. While that's draining, it never hurts to look underneath the car and make sure there's no more or any leaks. Not no more. You don't want to have any leaks at all. But always never hurts to check underneath. And then we'll get this oil filter out. Let's take out the old crush washer with the new one. And now let's reinstall. Now that we pretty much have our oil is pretty much almost drained, we can put it back our drain plug. And we can also tighten this down. Don't overly tighten, of course, just give it a good snug. There we go. That's good. A quick brake clean.
I don't know if it fits.
There we go. All right, now let's take out our filter. I don't have the cap size. You know those caps where you put it in and you twist off. I don't have that. Oh, this one I can actually take out with my hand. Crazy. So if you cannot, I recommend getting one of these ones or the one with the cap. You can just easily go like this, and then you can just twist it as well, little by little. You got to use 2 hands though, because I'm using, obviously with me holding the camera, I only got 1. So let's take this out slowly. Once it's like loosened like that, right? It wouldn't hurt to grab like a plastic cup like this, and slowly take it out, so that way we don't have a lot of splashback coming to our face because we're pretty close up. See, like that. At least a cup will help drain it like that. Crap, slipped out of my hands. But there we go. Because sometimes when you take out the engine air filter, or not the engine air filter, the oil filter, it take it out like that, you have all this oil comes down and it has a splashback and it hits you. With the cup, it doesn't have that effect for the most part. Now we can make sure our gasket is out, which it is. If you don't believe me, there it is. That's our gasket. Now let's go in reverse order. Like a nice little brake clean. Hyundai oil filter for this car. There's a part number if you need it. And let's fill it up. That's fine. And let's grab some and let's rim. Let's say give it a nice little rim job.
Make sure the gasket is nicely rimmed. Just throw a little bit more oil in here. There we go.
And now let's put our oil filter back up. And I'm assuming since this is a straight down shot, we don't need to overly tighten it. We can just hand tighten it because I think that's why it was so easy to take out. But I am going to use my oil filter clamp just to give it like a nice little quarter turn like that, just so it feels more secure. There we go. And again, I'm just going to give this a brake clean. So it's nice and clean down here. So our cover's still out there. We got our drain plug in, oil filters in with oil, gasket is lubricated. Now let's start adding the oil. So let's unscrew it over here. Let's put that to the side. Let's grab our funnel and put it down. We got our fresh oil in, engine oil filters in, the oil drain plug is screwed down. Of course, the helicopter's flying over me. Last but not least, we got to put our cover back on, but I would start the car first, make sure everything is running right, there's no leaks, because last thing you want is to have a leak, take that out again. So let's turn on the car, make sure there's no leaks, and then we can put the cover back on. Now the car is on, let's check underneath here. We got no leaks, no nothing. Expect more. There we go. There's the oil, engine oil filter is good. What's that drain plug? And there it is. There's the drain plug all good. Now let us make sure that we actually recycle our oil or bring back to your parts store, recycle that. Don't be the a-hole that throws in the trash. And that's how you change oil on the 2002, 2003 Hyundai Elantra N. And to reset the oil on this car, we have to have the car on. We're going to click Setup, Vehicle. We're going to scroll down to Convenience. And then we're going to go to Oil Change Reminder. And then right over here, Reset. Has the engine oil been changed? Yes, it has. And then that's resetting. And then oil life has been reset. Wow, Philippe, you can read. Yes, I can. And then now everything is reset for the oil. And that's how you reset the oil light on this Hyundai Elantra N.